As we know, states of nature are three: low, medium and high. So we make it from I from 1 to 3. Okay, and this is probability for x1, probability for x2, probability for x3, and we are now calculating EMV for each alternative. So let's start with regular shear. So this is x1, x2, x3. So we write EMV for regular shear as x1 probability of x1 plus x2 probability of x2 plus x3 probability of x3, because if you open this formula, so x1 is 6 times 0.25 plus x2 is 10 times 0.3 and x3 is 15 times 0.45. So it's up to you. If you want it in percentage, you can keep it in percentage. When you do this calculation, you will get 11.25. So if you are writing in percentage, you can write 11.25. And if you want to write it in decimal, you can write 0.1125. Both are correct. Okay. So this is the EMV for regular shear. Now similarly, we calculate EMV for risky shear. EMV for risky shear. Now the formula will be same: x1 P of x1, x2 times Px2 plus x3 times Px3. Probabilities Px1, x2, x3 will be same for all the cases. What will change here? x1, x2 and x3. So in case of risky shear, x1 is minus 10, x2 is 12 and x3 is 25. So when we substitute it, we get minus 10 multiply 0.25 plus 12 multiply 0.3 plus 25 multiply by 0.45, which will give you, so this will give us 12.35 if you write it in percentage, or 0.1235. Similarly, we have to calculate the EMV for the third alternative, which is property. Means what will be the expected monetary value when we make the investment in property. So again, we are going to use same formula. It means it will be here, only changes will be here. This will be your x1, this will be x2 and this will be x3. So it gives you minus 15 times 0.25 plus 20 times 0.3 plus 30 times 0.45, which will give you 15.75 when you do it in percentage, or it is equal to 0.1575. Now as per the EMV, you have to select the maximum value. So the maximum value is coming from here. This is the maximum value. So the person should invest in the property. So you have to write your decision here. Decision as the maximum EMV is 15.75, which comes from property. So invest in, so it will say that invest in property.